In this video, we'll talk a little about the Verifika report window, what you'll find there, and how to use it. To start working with a report, click Check on the upper right. The report window opens. Errors are divided into tabs according to the selected settings. Each tab contains a list of detected errors grouped by an error type. If you select a segment, it opens in the segment editor. Note that additional settings are available for the segment editor in the menu. The Spaces button lets you hide and reveal non-printing characters. Use tag settings to change the length of the tag display. For your convenience, errors are highlighted in pink. You can choose to resolve the errors either manually or automatically. For many error groups, the segment editor also contains an additional Suggested Autofix field, containing the program's suggestion for correcting the error. If you want to use the suggestion, click Apply or press Alt-A. If no autofix suggestion is provided, you can manually edit the segment in the Target Segment box. To accept changes, press Enter. To discard the changes, press Escape. All corrected segments now appear in the Pending Changes tab. Here, you can review the changes to make sure they are correct or roll back them. To have the changes made directly to your bilingual files, click Save Changes. Let's move on. You can choose the columns you want displayed in the error list. To browse available columns, right-click the header row. Check the columns that you want to activate. You can also drag and drop columns in the report to change their order. Note the small red square on the left. This is a segment status indicator telling you that the program sees an error in the segment. If the error is a false positive, right-click this square or press the spacebar. The square will now turn gray. This way you can ignore false positives. You can also set a filter so that ignored errors are not displayed, so you can see only real errors. This helps reduce the size of the report and gives you an accurate picture of the number of real errors that need to be resolved. With this filter enabled, errors will disappear from the list as soon as they are marked as ignored. Sometimes, it may be hard to decide whether and how to resolve an error without seeing it in context. You can open your bilingual file without leaving Verifika. To do so, just double-click a segment in the report. Verifika will scroll the file to this segment and highlight it in yellow. If you need to add a comment or ask a question in connection with an error, click the Comments button in the menu. A comment box will open to the right in the segment editor. The Export button allows you to save reports as Excel files. You can export a single file containing all error types. This file will be divided into sheets that correspond to the way the errors are separated into tabs in Verifika. Alternatively, you can export a separate file for each tab in Verifika report, including the Search and Pending Changes tab. For example, if you want to export a terminology report, switch to that tab, click Export, and select Terminology Errors. Ignored errors may also be included in your exported report. Just enable the checkbox for that option before you export the report. And that's it. Now you know how to work with a report in Verifika. We'll look at other features of the program in the next videos.